Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Really easy, really quick way to draw a wine glass. So we're going to start with an oval, not holding down the control button. Make it about whatever shape you want. Control D and make a duplicate, and then grab this arrow, two-sided arrow, and I'm going to make mine a little bit different than I made the first one. Then I'm going to take and Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to move it down. Now, I'm not working in the center of the page, but I'm going to be able to manipulate what I need to do. Then I'm going to make the stem, and I'm going to get this pretty close to the center. And then I'm going to select these two objects. I'm going to go CE, and that put that in the center. The other one's already in the center. I can hold down the control button and move it up. Now I can take away some lines, and I want to take away these lines and that line and these lines and that line, and there is my wine glass. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a little bit further. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. I've got a little leak somewhere, evidently, because that shouldn't have leaked up there. Don't really understand how that happened. Let's make this maybe like 100.1% bigger. And then let's try that with the Smart Fill tool, and it worked. Now I'm going to nudge that. I'm going to nudge that out of the way, and I'm going to fill that in and nudge it out of the way. I don't know why that's continuing doing that. Now I'm going to, on the glass part, I'm going to left click, right click, and I need to make a little bit of curvature. So I'm going to grab these four nodes and go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and I'm going to just do it like that. That might be a little bit too much. Let's go like 0.15. Just give it a little bit of a curve. And then you could fill this in with your Smart Fill tool. Grab the top one, do anything you want to with it, make it a different color. I'm going to use the Interactive Fill tool. I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to go downward. I'm going to put a little black in it to make it look like it's kind of a receptacle. Now you could I could do a little bit better, maybe a little bit better job of the bottom part. And if I figure that out, I'll make a second video, because this looks like it's coming on, that one looks like it's flat. And you could probably make that a little bit smaller. And see, this one's a little bit taller than the first one, but either one of them would work. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.